Kinsi man.
Hindi ba bato kasi silyo ay gusto niya papel.
Dapat ko ba hindi mo na bilog?
Naglibo-gulo.
Amo tadi dyan na ako na yung pakala.
Na to? Ah, hindi. No. Namangkot po. Hindi na kanila ng konta.
Nagulit isa ako sinsa man sakto daw para ko di amal ko amat na pilo. Kabakalang
Nagabakalang okay doon. Nagbaka doon ka man eh. Nagbaka pag-idiwa.
Nagbalik, kasi Yamanta na, doha ka, puro, doha ka,
The Spirit once more. Nalipat ako magbakal ko. Bring you. Dang ano? Daon mo dyan, atay. Ako lang madaha.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Today's video we're going to cook chicken liver and chicken heart, and let's go guys. First of all, I heat up the oil on the pan and wait until it become the oil it's become hot, and I saute into ginger guys. That is the ginger first, because I know that liver is kind of like something smelly, so I need to saute first the ginger so that it will gonna take off the real um, smell of the chicken liver and chicken heart guys. Then there you go, the chicken liver and chicken heart I saute over in the ginger so that it will gonna having a good taste and a good smell, something like that. So I put a little bit salt for that so that it has a nice taste guys. The salt will be gonna penetrate until the inner of the liver, and then I allow it, and then I put an onion and garlic for this to taste good for this very awesome dish that I had. This is an Ilonggo dish that we got guys. This is the way my mom how to cook this chicken liver and chicken heart. So we were gonna let the incorporate the onion and garlic plus that ginger over on the chicken liver. So I set like that until the meat of the liver it's become a brown guys, so that we could put some of ingredients. So we need to we just only like stirring that one or stay that one until it become brown. All are become brown guys. Yeah, but be careful guys, the meat of the liver is not hard as like a meat, so must be very careful when you are flipping or stirring the meat over on the pan. And I am using wood charcoal guys to cook this one, but actually the pan that I am using over here is induction pan that I have, which is I brought that like $20. Then I put a lot of peppers guys, because I love a lot of peppers for this ginger guys, because it totally take off the real smell of the chicken, something like that. So here we go guys, it's very awesome that we got this liver. It's been a long time that I didn't made it or cook it for my kids. This is one of Eloy's favorite a dish for so she loves chicken liver or liver, something like that. So we were gonna do it like that and set there. So I put a little bit so I stir the meat just like that and leave it just like that guys, because I really wanted that the meat would be cooked correctly or evenly, I mean. So I am waiting for that until that I decided to put a little bit water because I really wanted that the oil would be cooking the meat of, or I mean the liver. I put a pinch of magic syrup for that, guys, because I always love magic syrup, and then I really wanted to cook that one for like the ingredients or the condiments would be cooked earlier so that it will gonna we could digest very well. So here we go. I let that cook until it become totally brown, and the blood the which is it's looking like right now it would be cooked also, guys. So this is the way that we are cooking our food, even though that I know that some of you doesn't like liver, but my children really love liver, guys, because of the texture and the yummy stuff every time they bite it, because you can really feel the taste of the liver is awesome. I tried to taste it, and wow, it's really awesome. But I am not convinced for the taste of it, so I added a little bit or a pinch salt for this, so that the taste of the salt will be incorporate until and penetrate until the inside of the liver. I tried it. Oh gosh, it's so yummy, guys. I don't know, but it's really yummy. I really wanted to cook this very well because I don't like that it's kind of like smelly. So this one at this portion, I put a little bit water to cook the meat very well, and yeah, just let it there until the water is totally become thicker. And yeah, I didn't cover, guys, because from time to time I need to stir it so that the meat will not stick on the pan. So that's the way that I do over in that dish, guys. I don't know, but we as a Filipino we love cooking a fresh kind of meats, and usually we are not marinate, something like that. We love cooking that it's directly go to the pan. Usually that's what I seen from my grandparents and my parents, guys. something like that. And then I really smell the smell of the pepper. Oh gosh, it's totally corporate the taste of the liver, guys. And I love, the smell of the peppers that, it's making you like feel hungry, something like that. I have a story. Every time we, cook a native chicken, we as the siblings are always, our favorite the parts of the chicken are liver. So you cannot eat a lot of liver because the chicken is just only one liver, guys. So uh, usually we're just arguing and quarrels. I mean, so my mom are really get upset on us, and you know what happened? She's the one to eat the liver. So could you imagine that? Because we are all arguing because of one liver of native chicken. Here we go. I put some, chili or peppers, red and green one, and to make the smell become yummier again, guys. And it's a little bit spicy for that. I really love it having like that, guys, over in this chicken liver, guys. Could you imagine that? You're just biting the chicken liver together with this. Together with this uh, peppers. Could you imagine that? I don't know why I put my palm over there. I don't really know why I do that one, guys. I I don't I can't imagine it. My gosh. So here we go. It's almost done, and we are going to plating this one. Actually, I'm not really well versed in terms of plating. In plating food, actually, I'm not really well versed with that. I'm not a good, chef or something like that. The most important to me, I put the stuff over on the plate, guys. So that's how I do plating my own, dish after I cook it. This is a proud Ilonggo food, guys. This is, stir fry uh, chicken liver and heart chicken, something like that. So here we go. It's plating time, and soon we are going to eat. And it's so very yummy, guys. I love it because I have a red and green peppers that I toppings on the top of the chicken liver. It's kind of like spicy, this kind of dish, guys. Guys, I mean. So this dish is chicken and heart. I mean liver and heart chicken stir fry. So yummy. The sauce, it's really make you feel awesome, and you will gonna eat a lot of rice because of this dish, guys. You know, I truly love it. Yum, yum, yum. I am so sorry if you can hear some extra sound over there because I am editing over here in the store. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe this channel.